iPECS 1 iOS Mobile Call Handling and Transfer. This section shows how to set up a conference call on iPECS 1 for iOS. Start by tapping the dial pad at the bottom of the screen. You can then enter the number of the contact that you want to find, and your contacts will be searched automatically. Similarly, if you type the name of a contact, then their number will appear on screen. In this case, we are going to call Ed. To start a group call, hit select the invite button. Then search for the contact you would like to invite onto the call. When you've selected the contact, hit next. When the contact Tom has answered the call, press done to create the group call. If Tom is unavailable, press cancel to be reconnected to the other caller. You can now see that we are on a conference call and that there are 2 other participants on the call. By scrolling to the right and pressing participants, you can see all the participants on the call, including yourself. From here, you can also press invite to add another participant to the call. Press the arrow key to go back to the call screen. Press the red telephone symbol to end the call.